at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something that I was hunting all over creation for. This is Nissin Firewalk. They're hot and spicy Firewalk, rather. They're volcanic Mongolian beef. So this one, what's the deal? It says feel the burn. Feel the burn. Room temp water to the fill line. Add everything in except for the 1,000 watt. Okay. Noodle. 1 sachet. It is not a sachet. And yes, I have a good friend, an author, who refers to these as sachets. Sachet is a French term, ladies and gentlemen. This is a sachet. And that's just the deal. And then there's the powder. So there we go. And we're going to add room temperature water up to said line. I'm beefless. Beefless in Kenmore. You remove the lid completely and it goes up to the line. Wow. Look at that. That is exactly to the line. So we got this. And we got to remember, we don't put that in. Not yet. Not yetissimo. I'm going to take this plate, put it in the M-wave. I'm going to take this and put this in the microwave. Woo, squeaky, squeaky. About 1,000 watts. So I'm going to use 70%, I think, for 5 minutes. Yeah, so we're spinning. We're spinning in the M-wave. Yeah, I guess I really didn't need to buy 2 of those, but I don't know. I like to have look at that. I don't know. Maybe I'll make Nissin send me more junk. I like reviewing Nissin stuff a lot. It's fun. They're doing some interesting new stuff these days. They did the cup noodles pumpkin spice. They did the breakfast one. So that's a thing. It's good. Do we have to let it sit for a minute afterwards? Sometimes they like that. Let's stand for 1 minute. I had a feeling. So we're ready. And since this is the last one, I will wipe down the old stove a little bit. This has gone well. I'm pretty happy. It's weird too because it's just like this starting and stopping doing the show. It's going really easy, you know? It's not like what I'm doing here, folks, is rocket science, but it's like I don't have any problem just getting back in front of the camera. Some people really have a trouble. Don't want to be on the camera, don't want to do this, don't want to do that, but it's just like, okay, that's cool. Then you can watch. Yeah, no reason anybody really has to sit in front of a camera all the time. What I think it sucks is when you got people who really don't like to be in front of a camera and then they have to do a Zoom meeting. You can tell a mile away that they're very uncomfortable. And it's just like, just talk on the phone. It's like we've done everything possible in our society and culture to like not just have a verbal conversation. It's like people are like, don't call me, just send me a text. Don't call me on the phone. It's like, why? I like to yammer. I think you figured that out. I like to talk. I like to talk and talk and talk and talk. I don't really drink coffee. I have like a bang drink, or right now I'm having a Diet Dr. Pepper. But I like to talk, and I talk and I talk and I talk. But my brother does too, and he tells bad jokes. I'll tell you one right now. You ready? What did the hat say to the scarf? You hang around here, I'll go on ahead. And my son out there just said, you're going to get arrested by the police. So it's true. That is a bad joke. It's nice out over looking today. It's going to be sunny. I've been like spraying the top of my head with sunblock and then going out like bald, doing the bald is beautiful thing. I don't know. I still it just busts me up when you got people that just like leave it on the sides or just have like a big bald patch on top. I was wearing hats like 24/7. It's like, it's really nice not to wear a hat. I mean, I wore a hat for like 30 years. Seriously. Maybe that's part of the reason I went bald on top. I don't think so. I think it was just gonna happen. I think I got that from my mom. I don't think my dad ever did. Maybe he would have after a few more years. But he died pretty young. I think he was 27 to 95. So I think he was like 60, 68. Young. That's 20 years for me from now. Ooh. But yeah. Yeah, I've lost a lot of weight. I mean, I can like go, I don't know, maybe other people can do that. Hey! Shush! They get the vibe. I'm being weird. They get weird. They get louder. They're louder, 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 louder. I got a Star Trek transporter, Star Trek Next Generation Playmates transporter playset. I'll have to do that. I'll have to do that up on an episode soon. It takes 3C batteries. It's got a little thing in the front. And you put your little action figure inside of it and then push up on the transporter controls. It's basically, there's a mirror. And oh. Rest. Rest, ye Noodle. Rest. Yeah. Or stand. But it's got a mirror in it. So like it has a light that causes it, you can see it. And then when you push up on it, it dims the light, and then you just get a mirror image, I think, of the front of it, which it looks identical to the back. It's something like that. But what you could do is you could somehow try to get a guy on the other side, and kind of like the one-way mirror thing like they have when they interrogate people, or like a witness, which one of these guys, they can't see you, You could do that with your action figures. You could pretend. It's like, was it this guy? Was it this guy? Was it Picard? Was it Geordi? It was Geordi! Yeah. It's always Geordi. Hey, simmer down out there. No, I'm working. I'm working. Well, it doesn't look like it exploded over the top. It looks interesting though. Here's what we have. And I have a curiosity that I'm going to check out. My daughter Mimi has really started to enjoy the ramen noodles. She likes she likes something from this brand. It's Nissin Nissin Stir Fry Korean barbecue flavor cups. So every once in a while, I'll let her have one of those. But, and you should get them at Walmart because they're cheaper, like way the frickin' hell cheaper. But anyways, yeah, at our local store, they're like $3 a pop, and you go to Walmart, they're like $1.10. What the hell's up with that? Stupid Safeway. Bad food. Anyway, what I want to know is before I put in the spicy one, if this one's indeed spicy, because if it isn't, I could make this for dinner one of these days. She does not tolerate much spiciness. I think I got a tinge of heat. Give that more of a stir. It's, as you can see, it's not really a brothy affair. It's more of a sousey, if you like the souse. If you're partial to the souse. I'll try another. Ooh. Yeah. Kinda? Yeah, there's a little heat there. I think that'd probably be too much work. This is definitely going to add more heat to it. The one that I've always thought was the clear winner of the Firewalk range was the Sizzlin' Rich Pork. That one is freaking the bomb. It's like a really saucy, spicy tonkatsu. It's super good. I think that's in the top 10 bowls, or maybe in the top... What is that? Is that a whole pepper? Dude, really? Wait. I don't know. It's like the guts of a pepper were taken out, and then you've got this part. That's interesting. Is there more of those? I don't know. It's a lugubrious, sloppy kind of thing. I think I picked the right bowl for this. Alright. Let's try it. See how spicy it is. It does have a spicy gauge on it. This looks to be topped out on their spicy gauge. Yeah. So we'll see. Cheers. I think, yeah. I'll say it's spicy, but that is one weird spicy flavor. I don't know how I feel about that one, folks. I don't think I like it. I think I do know how I feel about this one. I'm not a fan. That's weird. My guess is gonna be, yeah, it did have that little slice of pepper in there, or gutted pepper. There it is. I see it again. Should I just eat that? Where are you? There you are. Right there. Look at that. Here we go. It's literally, if you took a pepper, oh, there's more bits of it. If you took a pepper and you took everything out of the inside of it except for the skin, that's what that is. So, as I mentioned, I don't have the beef. Where is the beef? It's at the store. And yesterday, in fact, I went to the store, and when I was leaving the store, I was like, oh wait, I asked my wife if she wanted something. Then I forgot to get her something, and then it was like then I didn't. And then I got up like a couple blocks, and then I realized, oh wait, I was supposed to get some beef. Then I thought to myself, where's the beef? Haha. And then no beef. It's like, I don't want to walk back to the store right now. So I didn't, and that's why we have a lack of beef. I don't really use beef so much in my review stuff. Sometimes. I am getting a spicy hit just kind of lingering. Beef flavor? Not so much. This doesn't scream beef. This screams like... It's also kind of sweet, so... What else can I add to this? I can add some... This has a pepper extract hit to it. That's what I've been trying to say the whole time. If you want something with some heat to it, it'll work, but it's not like super death hot. It may be the hottest of the set. That's possible. So, yeah, there is that. Old cell phone, playing music and making noodles. So anyway, if you like and subscribe, I'll get to go to heaven. That's what it really breaks down to. People with more subs get to go to heaven. They get better opportunities. Everything works well for them. And yeah, so if you don't like and subscribe, you're setting me up for damnation, hellfire, and all that good stuff. So buy my way into heaven. Buy me a stairway. It's paved with gold. And yeah, subscribe, like, hit the bell, all that stuff. You don't have to. I really don't care. This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Just do that. Have a good one. Bye-bye.